This is it, the perfect eclair. It's crack-free, holds its shape, and I'm going to show you every detail step by step. The first step is you've got to get everything set up. Ingredients, equipment, because it's all going to come together very quickly. And now, into a medium saucepan, we're going with milk and water. On top of that, your cubed butter, and finally, salt and sugar. You put this on a low heat just until that butter has melted. Once it looks like this, you're gonna increase the heat and bring it to a boil. Now it's at a boil, take it off the heat. We're gonna place a sieve over the top of the pan, and we're gonna sieve in bread flour. We're gonna whisk that through until it's combined, then place it back on the heat, cook it for 2 minutes on a low heat, just stirring it together. And then off the heat and into the bowl of the stand mixer. We're gonna mix that on a low speed, until it cools to between 50 and 55 degrees Celsius. Now you're gonna slowly add in the eggs, okay? Just a little bit at a time, letting the flour absorb that egg until we add any more. We're waiting about 20 seconds before we add the next addition. Halfway through, I like to make sure I give the bowl a good scrape and then carry on adding the eggs.
Now the amount of eggs that you use is critical, okay guys? It's gonna make or break your choux pastry. Too little, it's gonna be thick and claggy like it is here, but you wanna add just enough eggs to the point where it's glossy, homogeneous, and it falls off the paddle attachment in a smooth ribbon-like motion. Now this is more a visual cue, so it does take some practice. Once you're happy with it, pipe them out, and then we're gonna spray them with this cooking oil here and dust them with icing sugar. This is apparently the secret to stop them from cracking.
As you can see, I haven't used all of my egg. Once you're happy with the consistency of your choux paste, cover it and leave it at room temperature for an hour. Once the dough has cooled, we're gonna add it into a piping bag fitted with a star tip nozzle. Now the type of star tip nozzle you use is gonna change the size of your eclair, so just bear that in mind. We're gonna pipe even lines onto a perforated eclair mat. Next, we spray them with cooking oil and a dusting of icing sugar. And we bake them for about 40 to 45 minutes. And once they've finished baking, I mean, have a look at those eclairs. They're just perfect.
So there you have it, and in my opinion, the perfect eclair, right? No more gatekeeping from pastry chefs who won't tell you the tips and tricks and secrets. I've written up the full recipe. It's on my website. Just click the link in my bio. You can do the whole thing, and you'll have no more ugly eclairs. You'll make perfect choux pastry every single time.